Hello, what's your name?
Hey, my name is Alphonse Pouy.
Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Senegal, West Africa.
Okay, you're from Senegal.
Yes, I'm from Senegal.
Okay.
Yes.
How many days you stay here in Fonekong to learn?
Yes, I say in 16 days. 16 days.
16.
16 days, yes.
16 days.
16 days.
And in these 16 days, what have you learned?
In 16 days, I have learned to read schematics, to diagnosis, to swapping, to remove, and to reboarding CPU. Yes.
And before
before
coming to Fonekong, what do you know about repair?
But about just to change the LCD.
So before coming to Fonekong, you just know how to change LCD, right?
No, just.
So now you learn a lot.
A lot, yes. And now I learn a lot. I can do many.
How many CPU you can swap now?
Yeah, CPU 840, 830.
814?
Yes, 14, yes.
813?
13, I know.
And what else?
12, 11.
12, 11?
Yes.
And what else?
9 and 8.
9 and 8?
Yes.
So you swap CPU 8, 8, 9, 8, 10, 11, 8, 12, 8, 13, 8, 14, right?
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Before
coming to Fonekong, you never do this?
No, I never do this.
Okay, you just change LCD.
LCD just.
And how about other? What have you learned?
To do schematics. I learned schematics.
Schematics.
Schematics, yes. Diagnosis.
Diagnosis.
Yes. Swapping.
Swapping.
Yes. Reballing.
Reballing.
All.
Okay,
all, yes.
That's
soldering
great.
All component.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What do you feel?
Yes, just now I'm feeling good, very good.
Very good.
Yes, I'm feeling very good.
You have confidence on yourself,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm very happy to come to Fonekong now to learn. Yes.
Okay,
yes,
congratulations.
Many, yes.
Okay, what else you want to say?
Well, thank you from Fonekong, and I tell to my country to come to learn from Fonekong China.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay.
Fonekong.
Thank you.